Hello everyone. In last lecture we completed the topic ratios. Now in today's lecture we study the concept proportion and its example. What is proportion? Proportion means it is an equation that equates two ratios. That means it compares two ratios. For example, suppose there are two ratios A as to B and C as to D, then we can write down proportion as A by B is equal to C by D. For example, consider two ratios. The ratio of dogs and cats was 3 by 2. Now, the ratio of dogs and cats is 6 by 4. So, we can write down proportion as 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by 4. Properties of proportion. For example, 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by 4. If we multiply 3 and 4, then we get 3 into 4 equal to 12. Similarly, if we multiply 2 and 6, then we get equal to 12. So, both the sides are equal. So, we can write 3 into 4 is equal to 2 into 6. This is called cross product property. Now we write down cross product property in general form. Suppose there are two ratios A as to B and C as to D. So we can write down proportion as A by B is equal to C by D. So its cross product property says that A into D is equal to B into C. Now we study the properties of proportion. For any numbers A, B, C and D, we can write A by B is equal to C by D. Multiply by D, we get here A by B into D equal to C. Again multiply by B on both sides, we get here A into D is equal to B into C. That is cross product property. Now we study reciprocal property. If 3 by 2 equal to 6 by 4, then we can write 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. For example, we can write here 3 by 2 that is equal to 6 by 4. Again, we take their reciprocal. So we write down here 1 divided by 3 by 2 is equal to 1 divided by 6 by 4. If we simplify these, we can write these as 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. This is called reciprocal property. Now we solve this example. 5 by 2 equal to x by 4. Then we have to find out value of x. So we can write down here 5 into 4 is equal to 2 into x. So first we write down 5 into 4 and 2 into x. That is 2x. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20. That is equal to 2x. Then we divide by 2. We get here 20 divided by 2 is equal to 2x divided by 2. So after simplifying this, we get here x equal to 10. Now we solve another example. 5 by 2 is equal to 8 by x. Then we have to find out value of x. So we can use here reciprocal properties. So 5 by 2 that is equal to 8 by x. So we can use reciprocal property. So we get here 2 by 5 is equal to x by 8. So we can use cross product. So 2 into 8 that is equal to 5 into x. So 16 equal to 5 by x. After simplifying this, we get here x equal to 16 by 5. Now we solve again one more example. Suppose 5 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 3 by x. Then we have to find out value of x. So simply we write down here again the reciprocal property. So we can write down here x minus 1 divided by 5 is equal to x by 3, which implies that 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 5 into x. After simplifying these, we get here 3x minus 3 is equal to 5x. After simplifying these, we get here 2x equal to minus 3, that is x equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we solve one example. If your car gets 40 km per liter, how many liters of petrol do you need to commute to school every day? So the total distance is 5 km from home to school. Let x be the number liters we need for a day. So we can write here 40 km per liter, that means 1 liter. That is equal to, what is the total distance? 10 km divided by x liter. So we can write here 40 divided by 1 is equal to 10 divided by x, that is equal to, the answer is 1 by 4 liter. So you use 1 by 4 liter per day. How many liters would you use for a week? Let T be the number of liters we need for a week. So we can write here 1 by 4 divided by 1, that is equal to T by 7. So after solving this, we get here T equal to 7 by 4 liters. So you use up 7 by 4 liter a week, which is about 1.75 liter. Consider if the price of petrol is 100 rupees per liter, how much would it cost for a week? Now let S be the sum of cost for a week. So we can write down here 100 rupees per liter is equal to S rupees per 1.75 liter. So we can write down here 100 divided by 1 is equal to S divided by 1.75. So the total cost is 175 rupees.